Welcome back to Mitchell Makes Vids, your trusted source for dynamic stock insights. I'm Mitchell, and today we are fueling up on Venture Global, ticker VG, the U.S. powerhouse in low cost LNG production and export, driving the global energy shift. Momentum building post earnings. VG swung to a Q3 2025 profit of $429 million on explosive revenue growth to $3.3 billion, up 260% year over year and beating estimates, powered by record LNG exports from Plaque Mines and new 20-year supply packs with Naturgy and Atlantic SEE, locking in 5.25 MTPA for late 2025. Adjusted EBITDA soared 439% to $1.5 billion, underscoring operational scale amid booming demand. Guidance holds strong. Full year 2025 EBITDA narrowed to 6.35 to 6.5 billion, with reduced price sensitivity signaling stability. Shares dipped 5% today to $6.27 after year-to-date volatility from a 25 IPO high, but analysts like JP Morgan's overweight nod to upside in LNG's future. Watch arbitration risks and capex. VG, LNG leader or value trap? Share below, like for the heat, and subscribe to Mitchell Makes Vids. Invest boldly. Until next time. Guys, check the links in the video description below. Make some cash. Become a member of my channel today. See you in the next one.